Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. So tonight guys, I'm going to show you how to fill up your Google AdSense tax information for non-US content creators. First, you have to log in into your Google AdSense account. You look for payments. Afterwards, press the manage tax info indicated on the top, and then it will show you the button stating add tax info. Then log in your Google account. I'm going to fill up my password, and then next it will ask you if which type of account you are using. So I choose here individual. If you're a citizen of US, of course no. It will generate you two forms to choose from. You need to fill up according to your selected answers. So I chose W-8 Ben, B-E-N, name of individual, and then DBA or doing business as name indicated. And then I choose here my country where I live now. I'm actually from the Philippines, but now I'm living in Switzerland. So I choose Switzerland, and then I'm typing here my foreign TIN. And then next, you have to click permanent residence address, and then type your address where you live. Postal code, your city, and then mailing address is same as permanent resident address. Next, are you claiming reduced rate of withholding under a treaty? So I choose yes. Choose the country where you live outside US, and I choose here Switzerland, and then resident of country, check the box. There are 3 special rates and conditions that you can choose to. So I'm going to click all 3 special services. Choose Article 7 and Paragraph 1 for services, and withholding rate, reduced treaty rates, so 0%. I'll check here tax resident of the country region identified in the tax section, and then motion, picture, and TV royalties. No treaty of this income type, and then reason. I also check the box that you have here. And then Article 12 and Paragraph 1, 0 reduced treaty rates. Check again the box if you are the identified tax entity in this form. Now, you have your document preview on the form that you just filled up. It will ask you your signature, and then you just have to give your full legal name. Tip: yes, I am the person listed in the signature section if you are the person who is completing the form. Activities and services performed in US and affidavit. So, has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities and services for Google within US? Choose no, and then I take the box down. to certify that the services provided to Google or its affiliates will be performed solely outside the US. For status change affidavit, I am going to choose the first one on the top because I haven't received or withdrawn any payments from Google. Finally, you can now submit your form. Once you submitted your form, then it will show you the status of your tax info. It might be that you are approved, rejected, or might be pending. You can see that all the 3 services are already claimed with 0% rate. I hope that you like this tutorial on how to fill up your Google AdSense tax information.